Good evening, everyone, and good evening. Warm welcome,
Good
Prashanti.
evening.
I'm really pleased to have you here
Warm
today.
welcome to you.
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
Prashanti is an educator turned inner strength and child empowerment coach. I think we are on the same track, only the paths are
Yeah.
different. She has an experience of 9 years as an educator and 2 years as a master trainer for an NGO associated with the women and child development. So we both are just going parallel each other, and that's why we are really pleased to connect with each other.
Yeah,
Now she is on a
absolutely.
mission. Yeah. So now she's on a mission to empower children to become self ambassadors. So I just special clap for
Absolutely.
this. This your word self ambassador. Give me really enthusiasm and power. So it's really powerful for children. So I just give you
Absolutely.
many congratulations and best wishes for your path.
Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah, thank you
So
so much.
Prashanti, yeah, Prashanti, once again I welcome you. Today's
Yeah,
topic is
thank
very
you.
beautiful. We are going to discuss this evening. Uh, Failure is a stepping stone, right? Failure is a part of
Yeah.
life. Failure is somewhere comes in the journey of life. So today Prashanti from Goa is going to put some light on this particular aspect. Prashanti, why we are here today is,
Yeah.
first of all, I would like to share the incident happened yesterday. And after that, when we discussed, you just inspired me. Let's have a healthy discussion on that. Yesterday, actually, what happened? Few parents came of class one to my office, and they were after 15 days the PTs are going to start, and they were really worried because some of them could not attend the classes
Hmm.
online. Even if those who can attend, like there are multiple things. And they were really like
Yeah.
ma'am, what will happen? The kids are not able to do this, the kids are not able to do that. Then I discussed one by one. One of them said, ma'am, a child from the same class, they are studying on some tuition. Like I told her about tuition as well, like why this tuition. So she said the child of same class is in on the tuition and he's doing so good. In fact, I was discussing with all these 5 6 parents that that child is doing wonderful and my child is not doing. So Prashanti, what do you think? What is this all?
Actually, people are scared that, the child may fail. And, that is the biggest problem, is that they feel that, the child is going to fail and be behind the others. So from this itself,
Yeah.
we can come to know that, the parents are, first thing is they're scared. They're scared that the child will fail. Second thing is they are comparing the child with another child, thinking that, the other children are going ahead and their child is going to be left behind. But
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
Lalita, this, as now we are grown ups, and we really know that it's not important to compare with others, or the failure part. It is more important about the growth of the child.
Yes, so true. Like we can conclude it. It's something fear of failure and comparison, right?
Yes,
You
yes,
rightly
very true.
said that. Like I have
Yes.
heard a story of it. Like why people have fear of something? It's just because of comparison and fear of failure.
Yeah.
For example, in ancient time when women
Yes,
were
very true.
going 10 kilometers to take the water, and one pot on their
Yeah.
head, and they were going 10 kilometers, so everyone was okay with that. But if someone is going
Yeah.
10 kilometer and the other one is not going, so that comparison is making I think them unhappy, and the fear of failure,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Actually, yeah. Actually, see, now as a teacher, and you also as a teacher, we all know that children all are not same level of intelligence. So
Yeah.
some are average, some are below, and some are above average. So it is okay.
Yeah.
First, we have to accept the child as any whatever they are, and then give them the process of learning.
The best thing about this IQ is you can enhance it. It's just no one is more than other, no one
Yeah.
is less than other. We just need to understand that child and how we need to go with that child. It is just that.
Yes. Very true. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Very true. Very true. It is like, if one child could learn it in the first attempt, another one can learn it in the 2 3 attempts maybe. and there are some who require many more attempts. So it's just that attempts. And one more thing is, like, one could be good in one activity. It's not necessary that the other person, that same person, should be good in another activity also. So it depends. Like, one could be good in studies, one could be good in games, one could be good in singing, one could be good in art. So it's all different way of different. Like, each person has intelligence at different levels.
So true. Like one child is kinesthetically more intelligent. These are different kind of intelligences only.
Yeah.
One is kinesthetic, the other one is
Yes.
artistic, the other one is maybe scientific. Everyone has one's own intelligence and tempera. So why to compare one child with the other, right?
Yes, very true. Yeah. If you see, and there is, like, now if you ask ourselves, do we know everything?
Not
We
at all.
ourselves don't know everything. Yeah. So it is so simple that when we ourselves don't know everything, how can you expect a child to know everything?
Yeah.
So it takes time for them to know. That's how the things.
Like one child and their learning style is also different. One is a visual learner, one is a kinesthetic learner, the
Auditory.
other one loves reading, auditory learner. So how can you, like, when they were in online classes, some of them are visual learners, so it was really good for them because they could just visualize and they could learn. But what about the kinesthetics?
Yes.
So instead of comparing the child, you are rightly saying, like, I think parents should focus more on to understanding the child and then handling the child accordingly, right?
Yeah. The thing is, what, if at all a child, a parent is a person, or a couple is getting to become a parent, and if the parent knows, is being beforehand told that these are the different intelligences or different ways of developing, like, some could develop kinesthetically, auditory, and all visual learners are there different. And so when they are already educated or already knowing about it, so then when the child is born, they start observing the child from the beginning, from these points of view, and then they start understanding, okay, fine, my child is this type, my child is that type. So how best I can be a resource person, or how best I could be a part of his development or her development. That would be a great input for them. It would be a great support. So that is, suppose if at all, if anybody gets, there's nothing like that.
Yeah, right. Perfect. Prashanti, how can we embrace, like, how can the parents embrace this failure? Just give some suggestions to it.
See, first of all, when we know as parent, after grow, like, as we have learned in our process, like, we are not born cooks, we are not born as the ultimate what we are doing. We have gone through a process, we have learned, and learning is like, one day we do good, and the process of learning itself is like, we have learned one day, we have not learned one day, or each day is something, little by little we learn. So it doesn't mean that we should give up.
Right.
We have seen that by the process, we learning every time.
Yes.
Yeah.
And Montessori is really proving that, like, the process of Montessori, it is not going with age. They have their steps. They have their steps, like, this is group 1, this is group 2, then group 3. Like, every child will grow with their own pace. You cannot take all the kids all together.
Yes, absolutely.
Right. And like, this is how the education system of India, the previous one, is, I think, influenced by the Britishers, right? Reason being, they need clerks. They needed clerks. They needed rote learning, whatever they say, and we are just following that. The same education method is today going on. I mean, we don't need clerks anymore, right? And we simply need now the stakeholders, the leaders for the society, the Indian makers, those who can take India on the dreams of Swami Vivekananda, I must say. So the learning teaching method, the parents need to understand, and I think the teachers need to understand, isn't it?
Yes, it is all a process, and if at all we deprive the child of failing and learning, failing in the sense, it is, if we take it as an attempt, like, For example, if you see Albert Einstein, you can, like, people usually they take the person like Albert Einstein is the intelligent person. Not only he, but many more. But they themselves have told that, they have gone through so many attempts, 1,000, 10,000 attempts. Then only they got the final product. But they have
Right.
not told that, those they have not termed those 10,000 times as failures, but they have told it as an experience or attempts to get the final product.
Yes.
So from the 10,000 which are not working to the one which is working. So if we at all, we tell children that, it is okay that this attempt you did not learn, maybe the next attempt you learn it. And each attempt is an experience. Each attempt is an experience for them. So it is making us rich and rich. If we look at from that point of view, that we are gaining some experience, which is going to add on to the bigger success, then it is different. We are depriving the child of the process of success. If at all we put the burden of failure on the child, we are depriving the child the process of success.
Yeah. Like recently there was an example from United States of America. There was a couple from India. They were IITians and they were having a very cute child, and they both committed suicide, So the both were toppers. Maybe straight away after school they got good colleges and they got job. They never have faced this failure. And when the failure come, all of a sudden at the age of 30, 32, they could not handle that. And all together they all three committed like suicide. Then where
sad.
are we, like the and that's why failure is really, really important. Really, like, we are not promoting here failure, like everyone should fail. It's not like we will tell the children how you should fail. No, not at all. But even if a failure comes, we need to embrace that. We need to embrace that.
Yes,
isn't it?
It is a process. So attempts have to be done.
Right. So communication, Prashanti, how can we, communicate with the children so that we can build the child's self-image, like the child could understand what should I do? How can we do about that?
This is very nice thing, actually, building for a successful person, a good self-image is very important, because it keeps on building a child. Every attempt the child puts in or makes towards anything, it builds up his self-esteem or her self-esteem. So if we keep on building up each activity the child does, and if at all the child is not able to do in first attempt or whatever it is, the parent cannot, or the parent should have to understand that it is an attempt. So it is like how much ever the child has achieved in that, or the child has participated in the initial stages. For sure, it is like when the child is small or very young age, yes, it is participation that is the most important thing. But as the child grows big and big, it is one more thing is also that the child should not go in the zone of only participation. It is a process of learning. And if at all the child starts understanding that I am taking part in the very young age, yes, I took part to participate, to understand the process, then later on it is learning, it is experience of learning, and later on it could be an experience of contributing to for a win, or for the process to go on ahead. And later on it has to be like, fine, now it is when I start growing big in school games or so, the child has to think, yes, now I'm participating. As you grow big, you participate to even win the game. It is not only that, okay, I'll only participate. No, when you start winning these small things, your brain starts registering that, okay, fine, I'm a winner. I have made attempts and I have won. That makes the building of self-image. And the parents also should start using these words, like,
Yes. Like, I just wanted to
parents
add on,
should
like,
encourage.
Yesterday the parents' words were like, I could assume the environment in their house, like they must be saying everybody is doing, why are you not doing? They are observing more of others' kids instead of their own. They are focusing more on others' kids instead of their own. Like, instead of using Prashanti here, I would like to share my own experience and example of my life. I must say, it's the time 2001, 2002. I was in class 12, and that time parenting was totally different. We all know that. But due to some
Yeah.
circumstances and due to some reasons, Prashanti, I got failed in one subject in class 12. Okay. And when the
Okay.
result was out, I was broken. My father,
Oh.
for the first time, I was like, I was somewhere scared inside that my father will say, Ye kya, like, what have you done? Has this all happened? But he just hugged me and he said, you are
Wow.
my tiger child, you know. This is just a small thing. This is a part of life. And, you know, you are going to win in life. Why are you bothered when I am there with you? Prashanti, that thing, when it comes in my mind, no, that one day, that one sentence, you know, changed my life. Whatever I am today is, I think, just
Yeah.
because of that incident. And from
Yes,
there
yes,
I
very
took
true.
it, and wherever I am, like, I'm not saying I'm something really big, but wherever I am, like, is because of that support of my father, you know. Like, the
Yes,
parents
yes,
were there yesterday.
very true.
Instead of saying you are not doing this, you got failed, the parent can say, I'm really proud of you for saying, you know, staying focused or doing your
Yeah,
best in your thing. My father said straight away,
yeah,
you worked so hard. I have seen you worked so hard during your school, you know. It's okay, you could not get it, you will really paid off one day. He said this to me.
yes, yes,
These were his
yeah,
sentences. So how beautiful,
yeah.
you
The
know,
support
he
system.
just support system. So I think somewhere that is needed
Yeah,
from the
support system.
parents end. And
Yes,
I'm
the
talking
support
about
system.
2002, Prashanti, and today it is 2021.
Yeah,
Parents need
2001.
to have
Yeah,
that attitude, you know. And that was year 12,
attitude.
and
Very
today
true,
year
very
one
true.
parent is just, you know, scared and worried and just, you know, running here and there. What should I
Yeah,
do? Tuition on tuition, tuition on tuition.
yeah,
Like, I'm not understanding what is this happening, isn't it? So
yeah.
next
It's
I would like to
yeah,
bring in
yeah,
is focus on the process. I think the parents focus instead of the process is on outcome, right?
yeah.
So please just add on to it.
Focus on the process.
Yeah.
When, like, for example, if you see like the Wright brothers, or if you take these other people who have invented so many things for us, if they have gone through a process, so many attempts were there, and each attempt was a learning for them. So that process, if we don't go through that process and then achieve the final goal, there is no enjoyment at all. You
Right.
don't feel joy in enjoying that, final result. So the
Hmm.
process of ups and downs, and sometimes down, and then and again, enjoying those small wins. And today,
Right.
yes, we got this, or today and maybe today it went down, but what we have learned, it's always to, this dissecting the thing and then telling, okay, this is what we learned, or this is what, it's better to do that. So you will not have the fear for the thought that, okay, we could not win today. It is like, what is that this experience has taught us? So it is totally
Right.
slowly building up to get the success at the end.
Yes, like somewhere parents need to, if the child fails, somewhere parent need to celebrate that. Celebrate in the sense, like, make it lighter for the child.
Yeah,
It's okay, you have fallen down, just try it
lighter.
again.
Yeah,
It will make you more stronger.
yeah,
Like, from the very beginning,
yeah,
attitude comes in the child, and that through parent only, isn't it?
yeah.
Like, however we
Very true.
discuss with
Yes,
the
yes,
child,
very true.
whatever we feel, the child, even if we are not saying to the child like you are not doing good, but we are very much, just observing the others kids, the child take that feel.
Yeah,
It's the vibes
yeah,
around us
yeah,
that goes to the child. It's not straight away some words are going. Whatever we feel and think, that automatically just reaches to the child.
yeah, yeah. That
Yeah.
it's like
So
non-verbal communication.
non-verbal, and I
That
think
is
verbal
the
communication is
yeah.
minimum and non-verbal is maximum, Prashanti, isn't it?
Yes, very true. Just a
Like,
hug, just a, pat. If you just finish with this, also would do, because a child knows, yes, that parent is there. And the best thing is, a child at young age, a child looks only at the parents for support. If the parents, like, they say that, yes, you go and attempt, I'm there at your back to look after, or to, to protect you, or to be there to pick you up when you're not, when anything happens, or I'm there for you. That itself is a great support. The child goes
Right.
with a free mind to go and attempt. I know my papa is there with me or my mama is there with me. So then they start making those attempts. And after that, if the child is going in a wrong way also there and trying to be, oh, my papa is with me or my mama is with me, so I can do anything, go and shouting or fighting, that also will be corrected by parents, of course. But the free mindset, the free mind, when the child attempts, the chances of learning will be more. But if at all with the fear he is going, with the thought that, okay, what my father will feel or what my mother will tell me or what the teacher will say, what my classmates will tell me, what they are going to react, how they are going to react, that will be burdened for them. Rather than, enjoying the process, they will be worrying is what others will think. Log kya kahenge type.
Right. Right. Like
And that from here itself it goes on, Lalita, that till we grow big and then we'll log kya kahenge, it continues and goes on.
Yes, yes, yes. That
Yeah.
Sharma uncle's son has done this, that Verma uncle's daughter has done this. She's so good, you are not good. Like, if you will ask a fish to
Yeah.
climb on the tree, and if you will ask an elephant to just go in the pool, swim in the pool, that will not be possible. Each child has
Yeah.
one's own things.
Yes.
And failure, Prashanti, I think
Yes.
we should have a acronym for failure. Like instead of it failure, it should be first attempt in learning. In short, we can say
Yes.
that, isn't
Attempts
it?
in learning.
Yeah.
Yes. Very true.
This is what we are emphasizing on.
Then the child will not, the word failure itself has so much of weightage. The weight we give it to it, that itself, then if at all the child, definitely, as you said, if you start telling it's a first attempt, it's a second attempt, it's a third attempt, okay, fine, now the third attempt he got it in second attempt, you got it in third attempt, so it's okay, not a big issue. Like, so the child will, okay, fine, my attempts are more, or yes,
you should try.
That's how it is.
It's not like failure is okay and you just keep on failing and failing and failing, but you should keep on trying. Trial is must. Like, we cannot say, like, we should, people should not abstract the wrong meaning out of failure, that we are saying, you should let your kids fail and fail and fail. But if failure comes, we should be the support system of the child, instead of just making the child uncomfortable and negative about it.
Yeah, and one more thing I would want to add, Lalita, that see, sometimes parents say that ye pad nahi raha and we want him to become an engineer or we want him to become a doctor or her or something, like, but if you see that small child is already like 6th standard, 7th standard, already put pressure to become this and that. If you see it that way, and if the child doesn't become in 6th standard itself a doctor or 7th standard itself a doctor, it's a process. They have to go through 11th and 12th, and then so it's all these understanding of each subject or each thing has to be it is a process, and understand. And then the child becomes a doctor only after completion of that and understanding the process. But first, only if you're putting the burden, then if the child is told, just like that, I'm just telling, if they are telling, okay, fine, 6th standard, mein doctor ban gaya. Do you have the money to put in at that time, ready already? If the child is ready, then
right,
it is needed, right? Yeah.
And moreover, Prashanti, like we see the parents, like maybe we are also, when it comes to us as a parent, we are also doing the same. Like, more and more focus on what we want to make the child, right? What is the outcome of it? We are not, looking at it's a process. We should understand and know our child, the intelligence quotient of the child. We should know the learning style. We should understand of the child. Then the what we call that, like, these are 2-3 things that parent must know. Like quotients are there. We just know one quotient, that is intelligence quotient, IQ. What is the IQ
emotional
of the child?
quotient also important.
There are 4 quotients, all are equally important, right?
Yes.
Then we need to understand the learning style of my child. What we want the kids, they should sit and just learn, focus. If a child is kinesthetic, how can focus? In Singapore, I have got to know, like, the people are having rods at the end of their classroom. Why they are having rods at the end of their classroom? Because kinesthetic learners cannot sit and learn. They need to play with something. They are touching something, they can learn. Otherwise, they cannot. Right? So this is how the things are proceeding. We need to think up to that level.
Yes.
And we are just thinking today about doctor and
Yeah.
engineer. We need to understand our child first. That's what I feel. It will release our pressure as
Yeah,
well,
yeah.
and the child's pressure as well, and we can put our energy in the
Yeah,
right
very true,
direction.
very true. Yes. Ultimately, we also are not having that much of energy. We have that energy which can channelize it. So it's
Right.
channelized in a good direction. I want to tell you something, Lalita. When my son was nursery, his first nursery, like in that at that time, his teacher used to tell me every day, like, your son is not sitting, your son is not sitting, and then I used to tell him, Arey, what to do? He's doing all masti in the class. It's only masti in the class, masti in the class. So I used to tell him, Arey, masti mat karo class mein. But again, the next day, when again, I mean, I used to go and drop him, the teachers say he's going roaming around and he's doing a lot of masti. So when he comes home, I used to say, don't do masti in the class. But then finally he asked me, Mama, masti ka matlab kya hai? I don't understand what is masti. Then I had to tell him, because he's more kinesthetic. He wants to learn running, But then when you ask
Yeah.
him, he used to learn. He used to
Yeah.
answer. Only thing, he's not
Yeah.
sitting in his place. So
Yeah.
that was the thing. Then finally I had to tell him that, masti, यहाँ पर मस्ती का मतलब था कि तुम इधर उधर घूम रहे हो, you're roaming around here and there. So you sit one place and learn. That's what the teacher wanted you to do. So then finally he
Right.
said, okay, fine. And then I had to explain to him कि जब तुम बाहर जाओगे, you run, play outside. That won't be treated as anything. Here it will be treated as a masti. So you got to sit and learn.
Yeah. So meanwhile, Prashanti, I have got a beautiful message from Son, and she is from Cape Town,
Oh,
South Africa. And I would like to read her message here. It's such a
wow.
beautiful message. She has written, embrace and
Oh, yeah.
celebrate your children for who and what they are, their characteristics, not their
Yeah.
accomplishments. Their accomplishment does not define them. The hard work, commitment,
Yes.
etc. behind the accomplishment, that is what is important. It is the best gift and support you can give. Wow, beautiful. I think she has concluded
Very
whatever
true.
we were
Very true.
discussing. Very true. Thank you, Sone. Like your
Yeah, yeah.
your comment is really beautiful. Yeah. So Prashanti, I just
Yeah, yeah.
want
One of the best.
before we sum up, yeah, before we sum up, kindly give a message from
Yeah.
your side to the parents.
Yeah, I would really tell parents is, please give a chance. I mean, give the chance of failure to your child or attempts to your child. Because with the process of attempts only, the child will be enlightened. He will understand. She will understand the process of uh, achieving the success. Because if success comes all of a sudden, the process is not understood. The process is not known to the child. How the success has come to the child. So if at all the process is gone, the attempts are made, the child, the process is, registered in the child, and then they will know, okay, fine, this is how I got to go. And the same process will be put in many of the activities they do. Maybe they eliminate some, because they already understood that this is a process which they could eliminate, or this step can be eliminated for my achieving of success in a very, I mean, from the attempts could reduce, attempts can be reduced. So once a child is gone through the process, or knowing the attempts of success, he will definitely, or she will definitely get. And the best part is, we can't always be with the child. All we can give is this only.
Yeah.
The process can be given to the child, and in the initial stages, it is, we are going to be there at the side. Later on,
Yeah.
the child is independent to do, and we can be very confident that yes, we know our child is going to succeed, because we know his way of doing or her way of doing.
Yes. Yes.
So we can be rest assured there.
Right. But the problem is, we want to rest now. Like, we are just saying, sit quiet and, just don't do anything. They are jumping,
We
hopping, running. So we want them to be quiet. Just sit quiet and do this. Just sit quiet and do this. Like, we are killing their creativity. We are killing their strength. We are
Yeah,
killing
yeah.
their childhood, you know?
Yes.
Okay.
It is like, if we want a child to be independent, at the end of the, I mean, as the child grows, what do we want from the child? We want the child to be independent. So let the child face the issues, I mean, the small issues or the big issues, but you as a support system can always be there. But
Right.
you have to give the child this process to become an independent child, to become more independent, and to face the world with independence. That's what it is, to become his own or her own ambassador is nothing but
Right.
to stand for self. You know, when
Yes.
you face failure, you know, and you know the support what has come, and the same thing the child will give to other people, because
Right.
he and
Right.
she knows the importance of support. So that is the
Right.
chain process, you know. It's like there is a saying, no, log milte gaye aur karwan banta gaya. It's like, you
Banta
know,
gaya.
you help people and the others will help. It's going on. Yeah, it's a chain process. You help others, you help somebody, will help you, you will help somebody, and then it goes on, and it goes on to others.
And the child is not just your child. You are nurturing the next generation. We are nurturing the next generation. But
Yes,
what attitude are we
absolutely.
giving? What aptitude are we just supporting them? What system are we giving them? And we are not with them throughout
Yeah,
the life. We are
yeah,
not with them throughout the life. Somewhere they
yes.
have to
We are
lead
not,
the
we are
life.
not, we are not.
So what we
Yeah,
want to leave with
yes,
them,
yes, very true.
independent, strong children, independent, strong next generation, or just, you know, running and huffing for success and you know, fear of failures. What we want to you know, just give to the next generation, that I think we need to decide now.
Yeah, at a very young age, we got to give is more about depend on, I mean, focus on the value systems, because when the child becomes a doctor, or when the child becomes an engineer, or the child becomes anything, you know, in their life, they become a good doctor, a good engineer, a good politician, or good anything. That is very important, because once they become that good, they will deliver to that level.
Right. There are
So the
very many
failures
shortcuts
only
to
at the
success.
end, at the beginning, will help them.
Yeah, there are many
Yes.
shortcuts to the success, but we don't want. It's better to go with, you know, fall and up, you know,
The
get up, fall
process.
and get up, fall and get up.
Yeah, yeah,
That's the should be the way of
yeah.
life, I think. If you
Resilience,
fall some,
yeah, very true. It teaches them
yeah.
to stand up
So
after every fall.
because your time is precious, so just one last message in one sentence.
Yeah, I would say we should embrace failures, and not to put a taboo to it, not to make it as a look down upon it, look up to it as an experience.
Okay. Thank you so much, Prashanti, for being here. And we will keep on meeting. We will keep on. I'll
Yeah,
keep on calling you just to, you know,
yeah,
give
sure, sure.
insights to the people. It was a wonderful session. Thank you so much
Thank
for
you so
this.
much.